So today you're going to be reading all about graphs, and so these graphs probably won't be new to you. I'm sure that you've seen them in years past, but we're going to talk about what they show and what graphs represent. So graphs are a way to visually represent data. It's really easy to look at a graph and figure out what the data means. Sometimes that's easier than trying to read it in writing. Having it visually helps us. So before you make graphs, a lot of times you're going to make a table, and your lesson's going to show some examples of tables. They are a way to organize all of your data. So as scientists are collecting data, they put it into a table to organize it. And then you're going to talk about 3 different types of graphs today. There's bar graphs, and they use columns, and there's examples in the lesson with bar graphs. There's pictographs, which you may or may not have seen before. They use pictures. Typically, the pictures are associated with whatever data was collected. And then on your pictographs, there's normally a legend at the bottom. So the one in your lesson is about strawberries. And it says that each picture of a strawberry really represents 10 strawberries. So you'd have to do a little multiplication to figure out the number that was actually being represented by the pictograph. And then there's also pie graphs. So they take a whole big circle like a pie, and they show you how data is compared to other data, because you'll be able to see that, if a big section of it is all one color, that it's the majority. It's really easy to compare data using a pie graph.